This is a Brooklyn-bound G Train. The next stop is Greenpoint Avenue.
Hey darling, have you heard this? Train Man is back in New York.
Really? According to who?
According to us!
That's right, New York, I'm back for another epic journey. Details coming up in meanwhile.
This is a Port Square-bound G Train. The next and last stop is Port Square. This is a Brooklyn-bound G Train. The next stop is Greenpoint Avenue. This is a Brooklyn-bound F train via the G line. The next stop is Greenpoint Avenue. This is a Port Square-bound G Train. The next and last stop is Port Square.
Meanwhile,
Guess what, New York? You've missed the train. It's official, I'm back in New York City for another epic 25-day stay, soaking up the festive season and ringing in the new year. This trip is extra special, as we're about to hit 25,000 subscriber special. I couldn't think of a better place to celebrate. I'll be catching up with friends, family, enjoying the city vibes, and riding MTA Christmas Parade train on the December 28th, 2025 from 10 a.m. departing on 2nd Avenue, Houston Street on the F line. I really look forward to being out there with the community and celebrate an awesome year together. If you're around, come and say hi, and I hope to see you there. So last year I brought you the R160 G, R68 G, the 4 and 5 lines on the R142s. What have I got you this year as requested?
Q train and the F train.
Alright, which one you want to unbox first?
The F train.
Alright, let's do this. You didn't want the Express last year though, didn't you?
No, I specifically wanted the local, 6th Avenue.
Why
local.
Why do you want the local?
Because I want all stops is always a good train.
Right. What do you think of it?
I love the design, realistic design, feels true to detail, runs very well to scale, and always everything's so
Have you brought some wooden tracks yet?
Not yet, but I'm going to.
Alright, well you got the Q train left. Let's unbox it.
Let's go unbox the Q train. So we have, face this way, this one, we have the Q,
the R46
Express,
so you got the
R46Q.
Alright, so your dreams come true?
Yes, both the Q 6th Avenue local and the Broadway Express on the Q.
Alright, so how are the other trains I brought you doing? Where do you put them?
So they're in my collection, in my train collection.
And last but not least, now this one is for you to have a look. So we think about this, the articulated bus, the brand new one. Do you want it or have a look?
So it's articulated bus, so which means the bus has an articulated joint in the middle. So
what do you think of it? Do you think it's smooth in your view?
It turns very smoothly and it goes around corners very well. And it's very flexible, it's bendiness, it's very maneuverable, especially for tight inner city streets.
Do you want to run this?
Yes, I'm very happy. And the bus with its blue colour, blue and white colour, very true design, and how smooth it rolls too. Smooth rolling.
Alright, so you want one of these?
Yes, I would truly love one of those.
Alright, I'll get it next time when I go. And last but not least, this
MetroCard.
Yeah, well, what is this one? This is the last
Instagram version. The Instagram Metro Transit card. For paying all those fares for all the freaking trains.
This is actually expires on the 31st of March 2026. So you can still use as much as you can. But this, I think, this is one of the last ones when it comes to major different variations compared to the normal Metro card. So was your wish list fulfilled this year? What do you want next year?
So Ryan bus.
Yep.
Articulated bus.
Yep.
And the M train, this one here.
You want an M train?
Yes.
Alright, okay. Your collection is just going to be increasing. Looking forward to it?
Yes, I most definitely do.
Okay, so last but not least, you got to pick your favorites. Q or the F?
The F train here, of course.
Tomorrow Sunday at 10 a.m. it's time for more J Train real subway action, this time at Alabama Avenue. Plus a wide shot of the L train at Atlantic Avenue from the distance. See you at the platform.